अरे मैंने अपने आप को सिंड्रेला नहीं बोला मेरे बाप।
You are the opposite of Cinderella. You are the anti-Cinderella. The kind of pursuits which you leave for after dark.
After dark, yes, and which is also a good brand when you're poor.
Exactly. It comes with a free glass of.
It does, yeah.
More than that, I thought
Yeah.
when I said that for all your pursuits after dark, it kind of has a very wider scope to it.
It is, yeah. It is everything and anything. It's a long, like it's a blanket statement.
Exactly.
But
Like
it encapsulates
most of the sins which you can commit.
And most of the things happen after dark, which is true. Like that's why mom is so particular that I return home before 10 o'clock in the night, wherever I am.
Oh,
So yeah, she knows.
That's a really relaxed cutoff.
Have it 10 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're also 32 years old.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's quite hard to see that you still have a firm time and stuff.
I do. I call it the Cinderella time. Yeah, because Cinderella had to come back home by XYZ hours, or she would change from the princess to the normal girl. वो सब होता है Cinderella story बचपन में.
I hope you've read the story. Because I can't find a parallel. Yeah, but because I can't find a parallel Cinderella in this one.
So Cinderella basically उसकी कोई godmother princess.
No, first of all, Cinderella was beautiful. Forget girl or boy. She was supposed to be good looking. She was a damsel in distress. She was to be rescued. You are the right opposite of all these three things. You are the opposite of Cinderella. You are the anti-Cinderella.
अरे मैंने अपने आप को सिंड्रेला नहीं बोला मेरे बाप.
But you said Cinderella time, which meant that Cinderella had to come back and you have to come back, which means that you are Cinderella. But you are not. I mean, just look at yourself, man. Look at the screen.
I get it. Yeah.
Now for 1 second, look at your face on the screen and you'll realize where I'm coming from.
I know where you're coming from, yeah.
Maybe it's going to be a relationship of equals. If you're going to be illogical, please allow me to be equally illogical.
I was partially illogical. I was not completely illogical. मैं बोल रहा था कि basically Cinderella का एक time होता था घर आने का. Similarly, मेरा भी एक घर आने का time होता है. At least expect किया जाता है.
Okay, forget that. Tell me. Do you get to smoke at home?
बाकी और कोई? Yeah, I do, but I get rationed 3 cigarettes every day.
Your parents are
so one in the morning. So 1 in the morning for your morning, stuff.
Understood.
Second one after lunch, immediately after lunch, and the third one immediately after dinner. So those are the 3 cigarettes for the day.
May I also know what is the purpose of the other 2? Because the first one was to,
yeah. Exactly. The second one is essentially you had a heavy lunch, and sometimes you have non-veg also, like fish, mutton, chicken, whatever. And then I think it leaves a little bit of a greasiness on the food pipe.
Yeah.
So that cigarette after lunch it feels different, and it feels amazing.
That's scientific.
I don't know if it's scientific. I'm just giving you the feel of it. And
it sounds very scientific because if I remember my biology well, to a certain extent, to a certain length, your respiratory pipe and the food pipe are the same pipe. And then sometimes and I'm sure that the food is going to leave the trail of it only on the food pipe, and this cigarette then is going to get into
अरे मैं ये वाली जगह की बात कर रहा हूँ, ये वाली जगह की, ये वाली इधर एक feeling आता है.
Yeah, got it. It is scientific.
I know the ESO. Okay, last one is essentially like end of the day marking time to go to sleep types, and you have a little bit of a moment in the balcony at night. It's quiet. You had dinner and you want to just clear your thoughts. and the smoke helps you clear your thoughts because you're smoking and thinking. So that's the third one. Yeah. So those are the three for the day.
It's a brilliant adaptation of a exhaust fan. Using a cigarette like an exhaust fan for the body.
Hey, wow, yeah. To clear the mind, yeah. To clear the fogginess in the mind.
Yeah. It's absolutely brilliant how you're able to direct the smoke to different places in your body depending on the need of the moment.
Correct. Gala, pet, mind.
The first one is like is like that that pressure generator up the stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah, the second one is just a cleanser.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the people would have a cup of green tea for that, but no, obviously
that's also something. Yeah.
And the third one is to clear your mind out. Most of the people will have a mindful moment or a couple of minutes of meditation, but then now
that's also something people do.
But now the smoke is going upstairs.
Yeah,
it's almost like you have a humad in your hand and you're walking across your house, and then
and different rooms.
Yeah, you're doing this.
Different rooms.
And you're collecting all of it, and then it's absolutely.
Wow.
I mean,
wow, beautiful. I didn't think of it this way, but yeah.
I think it's the way.
Now that
the way you smoke, it's biological. It's physical.
I mean.
And then it's spiritual.
It's emotional. Yeah, spiritual also.
Yeah, because
I never thought of it that way.
I think, Subhit, I wanted to ask you a few more questions, but you know what?
Yeah.
I think I've had it, yeah. So...
I thought this was going to be a longish conversation, but yeah, I get it.
Please don't say longish, because when you say longish, it's got to run for 36 hours.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Can I be excused? Because
please feel free.
After this holistic theory of how you use your cigarettes, I think I'm going to go and have a glass of water.
And I will have a cigarette for that.
Not bad.
Sure. Thank you, brother. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Same here. At least for the sake of the screen, I can say that. Bye.
Bye.